Welcome again. This is Humayun from Taj Education System. In my previous video, I shared with my kith and kins that I want to start a program regarding uh, English learning. So most of my kith and kins suggested me that we are busy in our hectic professional life, so it's not possible for us to join the regular classes. So if you will upload your videos on the Facebook, it will remain very fruitful for us. It will remain very convenient for us to take the benefit from these videos. So today I had decided that I will upload different sort of informative videos on my Facebook, and most of my friends sent me different friend requests, and I had accepted all those friend requests. Because of this forum, we will remain in touch with each other. If you are feeling any sort of tension, if you are feeling any sort of mess while you are speaking, you discuss with me. We will negotiate with each other, and definitely with this discussion, you will find out the solution of that obstacle, because I am a person who had passed through these difficulties and obstacles of life, so that I can guide you in the right direction. Today I will discuss all those things which are creating mess while we are speaking. The most important thing is your confidence level. If you're confident, if you're believing on your own self that I have enough potential that I can communicate in a good manner, then definitely while you will speak, you will never feel any sort of hesitation. You will never feel any sort of mess in your communication skills. But unfortunately, 99% people have enough knowledge that they can easily communicate in English, but they are not confident. They are not believing on their own self. They always remain bothered that if I will commit any sort of mistake, other people will poke a fun of us. If you will think such type of things, it will create a mess during your conversation. You will have to keep yourself relaxed while you are speaking. Try to make small sentences. Whenever you will make small sentences, you will feel comfortable with this language, because the basic objective of the communication skill is to communicate with other people, to convey your message to the other people. Otherwise, if you are expecting that we will speak just like the native speakers, it will never be possible, because it's their native tongue. On the other hand, English is our third language. So we can't communicate just like the European and Americans. So there is no need to feel any sort of inferiority complex. We are comparatively better than those people who are sitting in Europe and America, or any other country where the people are speaking English, because we are learning our third language. On the other hand, English is their native tongue. We are putting up our efforts to improve our communication skills. We are trying to learn another language so that we are comparatively better than those people. Why you are feeling inferiority complex? So that try to boost up your confidence. Whenever you will boost up your confidence, I am pretty sure with the passage of time you will feel that you have enough potential to communicate in a good manner. Another thing, don't run after accuracy. Nothing is perfect in this universe. We are living on the planet Earth. Nothing in the universe is perfect. So that if you are committing different sort of mistakes, don't bother about those mistakes, because you are undertaking a journey that is full of tensions, that is full of stress, because you don't have such ambience in which you speak English fluently. You don't have such surrounding in which you speak English fluently. So definitely you will feel different sort of obstacles and hindrances in your improvement. But whenever you will create your own environment, this entire journey will remain very comfortable for you. But if you will prepare your mind, because about another thing that is most important during the entire journey, that is your consistency. Because most of the people says that communication work for those who work on it. If you will work on communication skills, definitely with the passage of time you will feel change in yourself, that you will feel that I have enough knowledge, I have gained enough knowledge, that right now I have enough potential to communicate with any community of the world, because it's your strength. Your language become your strength. Whenever you will move toward the metropolitan cities, or you will leave your country, you will see the power of your language. If you know English, you will be an international personality. You will have enough potential to communicate with the all communities of the world. Then you will feel that it's a knowledge that makes us able to communicate with the entire world. On the other hand, if we are just concentrating on our vernacular, on our domestic languages, I am not against the domestic or vernaculars, but I am just emphasizing on the importance of English because it's an international language. If you are capable, then definitely you will feel a major change in your personality. You will feel confidence because whenever you will negotiate with any community of the world, you will feel very confident. So that it's a major thing that we will have to concentrate, and we should put our efforts to improve this language. Another thing that is important for us, that most of us have temporary decisions. Sometimes we decide that I want to improve English, but they are not willing to put their efforts. For such kind of people, I would like to suggest that it's not a journey for them, because it's a journey for those people who are willing to put their efforts. They are really willing to improve themselves. Then definitely they become part of this journey. This journey will remain fruitful for them. But those people who are just joining it just for a fun, they will never get anything from this WhatsApp group. There is no need to touch such type of forums if you are not willing to improve yourself. Because if you are willing, if you are interested to make any sort of change in your own self, then an English proverb I would like to quote: when all you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. Then you will find different sort of sources which will remain very lucrative for you to acquire anything. So consistency is the most important thing. On the regular basis, you will have to hit your books, you will have to consult with those people who are capable to speak English, and you will have to start your journey towards speaking English. In your kith and kins, in your surrounding, in your friends, you can easily communicate in English, because nobody will create an ambience. We will create our ambience by our own self. Right now, I am a teacher. I always try to provide a conducive environment to my students in which each and everybody try to communicate English fluently, so that nobody feel tension, because it's a routine matter. Students knows that we will have to speak English. On the other hand, teachers are also aware that if we will never speak English, it will be awkward for us, because all the students are speaking English. On the other hand, our teacher is not capable to speak English, so that all the teachers are also speaking English, so that we can create our own environment. If anybody is saying that we don't have such type of surrounding where we speak English fluently, it's just a lame excuse. You can create your own environment. About consistency, an intellectual says that the river cuts the rock not because it's powerful. The river cuts the rock because it is consistent. If you have consistency, then definitely with the passage of time you will be able to achieve your goals, you will be able to achieve your destination. I would like to quote some verses of an Urdu poet. ए दीदा तर ये तो मेरा चेहरा है, ए दीदा तर ये तो मेरा चेहरा है, संग कट जाते हैं पानी की जहां धार गिरे. So if today you are interested, you are undertaking your journey to improve yourself, definitely not only me, but you will find thousands of sources which will remain very lucrative for you to improve your personality, to improve your communication skills. So I am optimistic that because of my videos, you will get inspiration, and you will try to hit different forums, and you will try to touch such sort of people who are capable to give you instruction, who are capable to give you some sort of positive direction. I will also try to upload my different sort of videos which will remain. I hope that such type of videos will remain very fruitful for you if you are really willing to improve yourself. So if any kith and kin is feeling any sort of tension, any sort of problem while he is speaking, he can share his difficulty with me, I will try to address his problem. I will try to provide the material that will remain lucrative for you, but you will have to decide, you will have to undertake this journey. During this journey, I will remain very cooperative with you. Whenever you will feel any sort of obstacle, whenever you will feel any sort of tension, definitely I will provide the help. But you will have to undertake your journey by your own self. On the regular basis, try to hit different forums, newspaper as well as English listening is the most important thing. That will remain very fruitful for your listening as well as for your reading. It will enhance your vocabulary, and that is the most important thing for English speaking. Because while we will never speak, definitely it will create mess whenever we will try to speak. So we will have to acquire different sort of words, and most of my kith and kin says that how we can improve our vocabulary, because that is the most important thing for spoken English. So I always suggest them that keep a diary along with you while you are getting any sort of difficult word. Try to note it down, try to find out its meaning, and the most important thing that you bring these sort of words into your conversation. When you will never bring into your daily conversation, it will never become the part of your active memory, because there is two type of memory. First one is passive memory, and second is active memory. While we are speaking, we are picking different sort of words from our active memory. We are not picking these words from our passive memory. So it's a most important thing that you transfer your passive memory into your active memory. And how you can transfer this passive memory into your active memory? Whenever you will utilize these sort of word in your daily and regular conversation, gradually you will transfer this knowledge into your active knowledge. And whenever you will speak, definitely you will feel very comfortable with this language. If you are comfortable with this language, then you will boost up your confidence, and it will remain very fruitful for you whenever you will communicate with the foreigners. Most of my friends are working in different sort of call centers. They are communicating with Americans, they are communicating with different sort of communities. So if they will never be comfortable with this language, they will feel difficulty in speaking. So it's the most important thing that you create acquaintance, you create proximity with this language. For learning this language, you will have to keep an affection with this language. Then definitely you will acquire different sort of thing which will remain very fruitful for you to move forward. Thank you so much.